Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to talk about how to apply for a loan with Mogo. Mogo is a great option for people who are looking for a quick and easy way to get a loan. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed money fast? Maybe you had an unexpected expense, or you just needed a little extra cash to get by. If so, then you know how important it is to have access to a reliable lender. Mogo is a Canadian fintech company that offers a variety of financial products, including personal loans, credit cards, and prepaid cards. Mogo is a great option for people who are looking for a quick and easy way to get a loan. Step 1. Check your eligibility. The first step is to check your eligibility for a Mogo loan. To do this, you will need to provide some basic information about yourself, such as your name, date of birth, and social security number. Once you have submitted your information, Mogo will run a credit check to determine your eligibility. Step 2. Apply for a loan. If you are eligible for a loan, you can apply for one online or through the Mogo app. You will need to provide more information about yourself, such as your income, employment history, and bank account information. Once you have submitted your application, Mogo will review it and make a decision on whether or not to approve your loan. Step 3. Receive your loan. If your loan is approved, the money will be deposited directly into your bank account. You can then use the money for whatever you need. Here are a few additional tips for applying for a loan with Mogo. Make sure you have a good credit score. A higher credit score will make it easier to get approved for a loan and get a better interest rate. Shop around for the best interest rate. Mogo offers a variety of interest rates, so it is important to shop around to find the best deal. Be prepared to provide documentation to support your application. Mogo may ask you to provide documentation, such as pay stubs or tax returns, to verify your income. Applying for a loan with Mogo is a quick and easy process. If you are looking for a reliable lender, Mogo is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. If you are interested in applying for a loan with Mogo, you can visit their website or download their app. You can also find more information about Mogo on their website or by reading reviews online. Thanks for watching. Until next time.